The Mac's Calendar app is a powerful tool that can help you keep your plan and thoughts in order. These 9 tips will help you understand the Calendar app on your Mac and get more done, whether you're a student juggling classes, a professional juggling work obligations, or just someone trying to make the most of their time. The Calendar app on your Mac is a great way to keep track of your meetings, manage your time, and stay organized. Too many features and choices, though, can make it easy to feel lost. These 9 tips will help you get the most out of the Calendar app. 1. Add places to your events. This feature of the Calendar app can help you remember where you need to be by letting you pair places with events. You can also plan your trips around your events to make sure you get there on time. 2. Set alarms to remind you of your plans. The Calendar app can tell you of your plans, so you'll never miss another important meeting. There are 2 ways to get reminders: by email, by text message, or both. 3. Let other people see your plan. When you share your calendar, other people can see your plans and make plans with you. This helps a lot if you work with other people or have family members who need to know when you're free. 4. To make events happen, use natural words. You can type in normal English to add events to the Calendar app because it knows it. You could type "Meeting with John Smith on Monday at 10 a.m. and the Calendar app would make an event for you right away. 5. Change how calendar views look. You can make the Calendar app work the way you want it to by changing how it looks. Choose the view that works best for you from the toolbar at the top. You can get a daily, weekly, or monthly summary. Try out different views until you find the one that helps you use your time most efficiently. 6. Invite other people to events. You can easily work together by asking people to events right from the Calendar app. To let them know about the event, just add their email addresses to the request. This tool is great for setting up social events or meetings with coworkers and friends. 7. Make additional calendars. Use sub-calendars to keep track of different parts of your plan and organize your life. Set up different calendars for work, personal, and project-specific tasks, and switch between them as needed. This division helps you stay focused and keeps your calendar from getting too crowded. 8. Built-in maps. The Calendar app can easily connect with maps for events that take place in certain places. When you add a place to an event, click on the location field to see a map preview made by your Mac. This is especially helpful for planning paths and figuring out how long a trip will take. 9. Make more than one calendar. You can make various calendars in the Calendar app, which is a great way to keep your different schedules separate. One schedule could be for work, one for personal events, and one for family activities, for instance. This way, you can see what's going on in every part of your life without having to make your main calendar too crowded. That's all for the video today. I hope you liked our video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.